So coming back, so the basic logic is that first we need to, in order for people to like facilitate and host powerful experience, the first thing is that they need to go through a powerful experience themselves, and second, they have the how to's of facilitating and hosting powerful experiences. So the challenge we have right now is that we need to drive entire change management in the organization itself so that we can bring the big facilitation and hosting capacity in the network. Like if you look at it, yes, like we want to develop leadership, but then in the organization itself, we're low capacity in like hosting like powerful spaces for our customers and also for our membership. So like right now we have created something on the S International, and we need to bring this to the customers. And of course, we are not talking to the customer directly, but then there are different touch points in the middle that we need to align. So these are the touch points we need to align. First thing, if you want to reach EP, we need to reach the EP managers. We need to reach the EP managers, the LCVPs, who is having direct contact with the EPs, right? In order to train them, we need to train the MCVPs. So all the MCVPs has touch point with the LCVPs and the EP managers. And in order to train the MCVPs, we have the touch point from S International and from OSTs. So there's all this touch point we need to align and like drive down the information from top to down. And how can we do that? Is basically one of the questions that we were trying to answer in the summit, is through first creating an agenda for all the AI and OST people that we can train them. So after creating all the content in the 3 days of the summit, on the last day of the summit, we actually had a simulation to talk to all the, we hosted 5 AI members, and they were went through this process, and these are the people are going to in their region through different touch points. I'm going to explain all the touch points later in the post, to the OSTs, and the OST will host such spaces for the MCVPs in their touch points, so the MCVPs can again train the EP manager or the LCVPs, and in the end the LCVP and the EP managers can host such experiences for the EPs. Yes, it's a little bit complicated, not complicated, it's a bit complex, but the simple logic again is that first, in order for you to be a very good host, you need to experience what does that mean to have a good hosting experience, and second, what are the how-tos of going to be a good host. So we will be driving down this change management in a way of I'll explain a little bit below with the timeline that we have immediately with the network. Peace out.